Hello everyone, this is video number 19 and in the last video we were doing the poem Mist. So I will continue my poem. Oh, never, if I live to 1,000,000, shall I feel such a terrible pang. From the seats in the far off pavilion, a loud wail of ecstasy rang. By the handful my hair, which is auburn, I tore with a wrench from my thatch, and my heart was seared deep with a raw burn at the thought that I had foozled that match. So the poet he was very disappointed, he was regretting, and he was feeling a terrible pang. Pang means pain. Why he was feeling a terrible pain? Because he has missed the catch. That catch was very easy, and it was only because of his carelessness that he missed the catch. He was distracted during the game, and so he was feeling a very terrible pain, and he was not able to forgive himself. Okay, and as soon as he missed the catch, what happened? The other opponent were very happy because he missed the catch. And see the poet, how he's doing. He's sitting, he's pulling his hair violently. Why he's pulling his hair violently? Because he was shocked and he was not able to forgive himself. He started pulling his hair violently. Okay. From the seats in the far off pavilion, a loud wail of ecstasy rang. The meaning of ecstasy is a state of extreme happiness. Obviously, the opponents will be very happy because he had missed the catch. Okay, and the poet was disappointed. By the handful my hair, which is auburn. The meaning of auburn is a reddish brown color. So his hair was of reddish brown color, and he sat and he was pulling his hair violently. Okay, and the other players also, see, they were also very disappointed. They were also shocked that how the poet could miss such an easy catch. Okay, what is the meaning of I tore with a wrench from my thatch? The meaning of wrench is to pull or twist something violently. And thatch is, here thatch means hair on head. So he was pulling and twisting his hair violently. And my heart was seared deep with a raw burn. So the poet was injured, he was feeling pain, he was in pain. Okay, as the thought that I had foozled that match. Again, he is telling in the last line also, see, that he was not able to forgive himself. He was very disappointed, he was very sad because he missed that catch. Foozled means missed. Bungled. Bungled also means missed. Ah, the bowler's low, querulous mutter, points loud, unforgettable scoff. Oh, give me my driver and putter. Henceforward my game shall be golf. If I am asked to play cricket hereafter, I am wholly determined to scratch. Life is void of all pleasure and laughter. I bungled the easiest catch. So the other players, because the poet has missed the catch, so the other players were also very angry with this poet. Okay, they were very angry. And how were their reaction? They were showing sign of disrespect for the poet. They were angry, they were showing sign of disrespect. Okay, they were complaining also because of his carelessness, because of the poet's carelessness. See, it is written, the bowler's low, querulous mutter. Querulous means complaining. Okay, points loud, unforgettable scoff. The meaning of scoff is an expression of dislike and disrespect. So the other players, okay, the team members, what were their reaction? They were also very angry with this player, with the poet, and they were showing sign of disrespect and they disliked him. Okay, the poet himself, he was also very disappointed. So at last the poet said that okay, now I'm not going to play cricket, henceforth my game will be golf and I will not play cricket anymore. Give me my driver and putter. Okay, what is the meaning of driver and putter? Golf clubs. So the poet decided that now he is going to leave cricket, he will not play cricket, and now he will play, his game will be golf. Okay, so in the last stanza, what we have seen, the bowler, the batsman, and everyone, they were very angry with him because it was poet's mistake and the poet missed the catch. So he was feeling terrible pain. When the poet realized his mistake, he started pulling his hair violently. The bowler was very angry on the poet and he disliked him for the poet's carelessness, and at last the poet decided that here he decided to leave playing cricket and start playing golf because he missed the easiest catch. So we have done this lesson. Now what you have to do, first you will give the title. Okay, the title is missed. Then what you can do, after giving the title, you can write all the difficult words. See, the difficult words are given at the end of your lesson, so you can write the difficult words in your copy. Okay, beside this I have marked some of the difficult words. Beaming, as I told you, beaming means radiant, shining brightly. Hay means dry grass. Okay, gleaming again means shining. Okay, so these are difficult words which I have marked. You will write the difficult words, you will write their meanings, and then in one page you can write about your favorite sports. Okay, write at least 3 to 4 lines about, you can write what is your favorite sports. You can stick the pictures related to your favorite sports. Anything you can stick. You can stick your favorite sports person pictures. You can stick the picture of the sports. Whatever you like, stick that picture. Okay, write 2 to 3 lines on the topic your favorite sports, and then after doing that you will write all the difficult words, you will write their meanings, and then we will do question and answer. Thank you.